So to continue further on the same dashboard, I have renamed this worksheet, which was basically the worksheet of dashboard. You can see the symbol here, that is revenue per state. Just now we got it here. Then the second one is revenue based on the month of the year. So this is the worksheet which I have renamed, as we need to analyze that. So for that I will select the month. Where is the month field? This month. But now here the month is having the format that is character format, so we must change the data type to the date, this one. So now it has changed that, and then I will go to the total. So this is the total here. So I am getting month wise revenue in this case. Okay, now if I want to label this, again I will select this one, put the control and put it on label. So I am getting these values. Again formatting these values, the same method you have to apply. Go to this format font, this one, then select. You have two options here, axis and pen, but we are in pen as a default. And then select say the currency custom. Okay, so I will put this as dollars, and I need the decimals as 0 say, and display unit as say thousands. So it will modify it this way. So this is how you can get the revenue in total, that is 11,000 or 57,667K and so on, based on the month. So moving towards the next worksheet, that is what we need is basically revenue based on age. So this is what I have renamed here. Now I have to pick up the fields, that is say the total and the age. Now notice here that both the dimensions are basically the measures here, and that is how I am not getting the expected result. Basically what we need is here is basically the distribution, and to get the distribution we will drop this and then format the age first, that is formatting this. To create the bin, so we have an option to create the bin here. So this is how we can select this one. Now the size of the bin here, that is class interval or frequency, as you know when you go for plotting the histograms what you do. So it asks you here the suggest the bin size. So I have selected 10 say, and now our field is here. So I get this value here and I am getting these results here. Now if you want to again put the labels, I am putting control on and shifting these values, so I am getting the labels here. But to further format these labels, which is showing me 10, 20, 30, so it is little misleading. So one more option is there here. You can edit the aliases. So this option is there. So what you can do here, say the first one is basically the less than 10, the second one is in the range from 10 to 20 and so on. So I have changed those intervals, that is less than 10 and then in between intervals and greater than 70. So this will show me it like this. Again formatting this, you know what to do. Go to this, go to the sum total field. Okay, select the currency custom, put it here the dollar, display unit may be in thousands and changing it to the 0. So this is how you get the relationship between revenue and based on the age. Now what this indicates is 20 to 30 the maximum revenue it is showing, but surprisingly it is showing again in between 50 to 60 as the second highest peak for the revenue.